bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, fuck up first class, I'm the pilot. Put it in perspective, bitch, I got everything I wanted and some extra. I am not the type of turning into a detective. Got two on my own phone, barely even check them. Uber Eats the food, I don't call, I just text it. Cashed out on bail, my little bitch got invested. Flexed out my Lexus, no backseat, so no besties. I checked it, no guesses, so don't text. Hey, 2 pistols, 30s in the clip, these are Kimbos. Open hand, smack him in his mid, bitch, I'm Kimbo. You be throwing cash on the strip, my little bitch sucking dick for the free. I got a bitch, but a bitch ain't got me. I know she trip when I dip, so I creep. These bitches pillow talking about me like I'm slim. And she ain't know this shit in 3 weeks in my motherfucking teeth, bitch, I'm stylish. Black top, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Proud to fuck it up from the back on the island. Heard it talking crazy, my mind, and now it's silent. Run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, run that shit back, bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. Mile high, fuck up first class, I'm the pilot.
Never be nobody #1 fan. Your first #1, I had to put it in your hand. You pussies can't get booked outside America for nan. I'm out in Tokyo because I'm big in Japan. I'm the hit maker y'all depend on. Backstage in my city, it was friend zone. You won't never take no chain off of us. How the fuck you big stepping with a size 7 man's on? This the part with the bite, nigga, what's up? I know my picture on the wall when y'all cook up. Extortion, baby, whole career you been shook up. Cause Top told you drop it, give me 50 like some push-ups. Hood, your last one brick, you really not on shit. They make excuses for you cause they hate to see me lit. Pull your contract cause we gotta see the split. The way you doing splits, bitch, your pants might rip. You better do that motherfucking show inside the bitty. Maroon 5 need a verse, you better make it witty. Then we need a verse for the Swifties. Top say drop, you better drop and give them 50. Pip squeak, pipe down, you ain't in no big 3. Scissor got you wiped down, Travis got you wiped down, Savage got you wiped down. Like your label, boy, you in the scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just to have this talk with your ass, I had to hike down. Big difference between Mike then and Mike now. What the fuck is this, a 20v1, nigga? What's a prince to a king? He a son, nigga. Get more love in the city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga. Yeah, I'm the 6th guy, I'm the front runner. Y'all nigga manager was Charles' little blunt runner. Clean a 6 and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got rich, you had to run from it. Cash blowing, able bread out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, he doing for niggas. Jets, whips, chains, wicked. Spinning like you tryna fuck, boy, you trippin'. Drizzy Chippendale, probably got your bitch Chanel. I just got them done, boy, don't make me at the Chippendale. Rolling loud stage, I would turn, that was slick as hell. Shit'll probably change if it BM start to kiss and tell. Hugs and kisses, man, don't tell me about no switches. I be rocking every fucking chain I own next visit, ayy. I be with some bodyguards like Whitney. Top say, drop your little midget ass, better fucking, ayy. Better drop and give me 50, ayy. Drop and give me 50, drop and give me 50, ayy. Niggas really got me out here talking like I'm 50. Niggas really got me out here rapping what I'm living. I might take your latest girl and cuff her like I'm Ricky. Can't believe he jumping in, this nigga turning 50. Every song that made it on the chart he got from Drizzy. Spend that little check, you gotta stay up out my business. Nigga, shout out to the hooper that be busting out the gritty. We know why you mad, nigga, I ain't even tripping. All that little heartbroken Twitter shit for bitches. This for all the top dogs, drop and give me 50, drop. In that fucking song, y'all got to not start to beef with us. This shit been brewing in a pot, now I'm heating up. I don't care what Cole think, that dot shit was weak as fuck. Champagne tripping, he is not fucking easing up. Nigga calling Top to see if Top want a piece of up. Top want a piece of up, Top want a piece of up. Nah, pussy, now you on your own when you speaking up. You don't roll deep to this, is not fucking deep enough. Begging Casa not, boy, you not fucking beating us. Numbers wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking sneaking up. Cornball, your show money, merch money, feed us. I'ma let you niggas work it out because I seen enough. This ain't even everything I know, don't wake the demon up. This ain't even everything I know, don't wake the demon up. Drop and give me 50. lately all you fuck niggas teaming up.
What top five you smoking on, Kendrick?
Chad, baby, what is going on? A little bit of a difference here. We got the two young G's in the building again today. I hope you guys are feeling good. You guys are feeling rested. Miles, how you doing, my brother?
What's up, bro? How you doing? Chad, how we doing? Sorry. I'm stuffed with Smarties here. Chad, how we doing? Thursday morning. Let's get a cracking. Continue those dubs.
Hey, there we go. There we go. Okay, Chad. Yeah, we're not going to talk about the sheep in the room. That is pretty much the end of that. Is it too hot for Chris? Chris,
Father Christmas is, yeah?
he's over here in the back. End of the day, the boys got some work to do, so we're giving him some time off to get to that work. And we're going to get things done the way we need to over here. So it is going to be a good one. We are locked and loaded. We're going to see what can happen here in the markets. A lot happening last night.
Yo, yeah.
A lot. So we'll talk about that a little bit. But before we get into anything, as always, guys, okay. Yeah, we're going to start it off with a prayer, as we always do. And then I'm going to hand over there. Miles, I don't know, my brother. Do you want to open up with us?
Yeah, I got you.
All right. Okay.
Right,
Chad, we can all bow our heads there.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, for we forgive those who trespass us. Lord, I just want to thank you for this day, Father God. I just want to take over here. I just feel like we are so blessed to be here on this Thursday. We are so blessed to have made it so far in the week. On my way to work, I saw a hectic accident, and I just thought to myself, we are so blessed to walk and wake up every single day. We are so blessed to walk into an office where we have people that love us. We are surrounded by these people. And Chad, I just want us to thank each other in the chat for being there for one another, for having this community, Lord Jesus. We just want to honor you and give you all the praise and all the glory. Father God, as we trade today, Father God, I pray for a clear mind. I pray that your mighty angels go out before us, Father God. As we trade today, Father God, and for the rest of the week, may this weekend also be blessed for those that are traveling. I know a lot of people are traveling today. May they be safe, Father God, as we are approaching Easter weekend. Father God, I just want to thank you, Father God, once again, and we honor you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there, guys. What I'm gonna do here, Chad, is I know Miles is that man's locked and loaded, ready to go. Yeah. So Miles, I'm actually gonna let you break down first, and then I will get into it. I just want to check. Oh, there we go. All right. To you, my brother.
Oh, my thing's just frozen here quickly. There we go. Chad, let's get straight into it, man. Just want to start off with gold. Guys, as mentioned again, guys, the conditions we are trading is almost the same every year when we come around this June, July sort of time, you know? So I just want us to understand that in these times, number one, don't be too greedy. But number two, milk the markets. So that is why my risk plan is slightly changing. 10 is 10 is going to be 10 is 10 all the way. But as you saw yesterday, I'm going to allow, especially on gold, to push for that 20 and allow also a slightly bigger stop maximum of 40, 45 pips. Okay, Chad, let's get into it. Right, gold overall bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows within candlestick anatomy and market structure sentiment. Now tapping into that major all-time resistance at 31.25. Here's the thing, Chad. For me, this is a major key level. Now, just because we're approaching the resistance, just because we are seeing this Cupid level doesn't mean it's time to short. Never let your highs be a point that you just want to automatically start shorting. Let's see if we can continue this momentum, if that lower time frame can close above 31.25, and we trade into that 31.50 level. So let me go and put my 4-hour levels over here. So the 4-hour level for me, because there's no resistance formed as of yet, this will be the 4-hour level right here. There's my level of dynamic support over there. Okay. Here's my level of dynamic resistance, and I can see the following. This is actually in a range. Do you guys see that? Left hand side, there's my range. Here's pretty much the range again. Now we've tested that level of resistance. 4 hour has struggled to close above that area. And the question I'm going to ask everybody, if I can just move this over, the question I'm going to ask everybody is, have we tested the area that we just broke out of, which is 3100 flat? No, we haven't. So there's a high probability that because we tap into this resistance area, we could reject, grab liquidity, and then continue pushing. So that's going to be the idea today. Let's see how the 30-minute holds this area, and if I break those minor lows, I'm going to short it down, and obviously if it re-breaks the high, I'm going to long the position. So chat, with further ado, let's go ahead and slot in the 30-minute levels. Already I'm starting to see that rejection form in that 30-minute. And that for a 30-minute also created a support over there. There's that support level right there. And this is going to be the simple play, boys. Closures back above 31.25 is going to give me the idea that price can drive to the upside. However, I'm not going to long until we break 31.32, which is the current daily high. The reason that I'm not going to long is it is too choppy for me to long there. Now, with that being said, guys, if we look to the left, so look left with me, we have tested this area multiple times, as we've done again. And every single time we've tapped that area, we've rejected. So wouldn't it be wiser to understand that 3100 is where price broke out? We haven't seen a retest. There's a high probability that price could retest that level and then continue driving or continue sinking, obviously. But the fact of the matter is, for us to grab liquidity to break through these resistances, where do we need to find volume? 3100. Is that not correct? So if I start seeing a 15 and 30 close beneath this current 30-minute level, I would love the shorts down to 31.08. That would be absolutely stunning. So this is what I'm looking at for this morning, Chad. Is to see if 15 and 30 can close beneath the level. 15 already actually did. So to be very honest with you, breaks below this area right here is going to make me want to take that shorts. There's the shorting area. You're going to look for a setup for something like this. Obviously, we have to extend that stop loss to that 45.50 pip area. And then you target the overrun, which is going to be the lows at 31.08. Yes, targeting 3100, but I'm going to target that first dynamic level of liquidity, which is about 90 odd pips away. So, to be honest with you, I love the gold sells right now. I think the gold sells look really, really good. The buys for me is a bit too choppy at this point. I'd rather more so wait for the break of these highs. I'm actually going to modify this area. I would much rather wait for the break of these highs here, boys. If we can break that high, I will definitely get involved there. But the sells for me look awesome. If we look at what happened was, you had your drive, you had your support form, right? Price breaks out, price retest. Yes, it's a deep liquidity, but personally, this could be a fake out. So when price starts to close beneath there, what do we expect price to do? Sink, right? So that's going to be the play for me this that's going to be the play for me this morning, guys, is seeing if price can break those lows. We have that 15 close beneath. As we approach London Open, Keys will ring that horn for us at 9 o'clock, and then we'll see if we can see that continuation to the downside. I love gold sells this morning. So let me pop this in over there for aggressive shorts. This, as mentioned, is going to be a no trade range, my guys. And then above here will be that area for aggressive longs. All right.
Alright, is that you, my brother?
No, not done yet. But that's pretty much it, man. I feel like gold's very straightforward, so that's what I want to do. Looking at GJ, when I got to the office this morning, I actually got a script to see how much GJ has actually pumped overnight. So I want to go ahead, pop in current daily high, current daily low. So current daily highs over here. Oops, I forgot to add you. My bad. Current daily lows. GJ absolutely driving.
Rix, we're going to put him in a headlock, bro.
Ah, woo. Hey, these guys
put
are
him in a headlock. We're gonna make him hold for 100 today.
shit.
He thinks that's why Chris is taking a break, bro. Chris is gonna grab you there.
Chris, that's my Chris, that's my ankles here, bro. So yeah, GJ is going to be a straightforward player as well, boys. If we look to the left-hand side, so look left with me on that 4 hour. Devin, what's happening, brother? We are in range. This is the range. To the left-hand side, the range looks terrible. But here's the range, boys. We are bearish overall. Here's liquidity that we're rejecting. If we start to re-break 188.22.6, I will look for shorts. I think that we need that retest. The buys for me will only come above the quarter pip level 190. But until we see that, I'm not really keen on GJ buys, to be very honest with you. I'm more so looking at what we're going to do over here. Hey, man, select. What we're going to do over here to look for shorts, and then see if we can break there to look for shorts, obviously, because you are at the range high. So all I'm going to do is play the range. The buys for me, I feel like it's a bit saturated. I don't really like the buys until we break 190. So for me on GJ, there's not a setup yet, and I don't think there's going to be one anytime soon. But the idea is wait for resistance, see if I can reject price down, or wait for support to break to see if I can trade price down. Last but not least, the close above 190 for price to then drive up. So one of the three. But the eyes is on gold today. The eyes on gold to see if gold can provide us with that entry criteria, and if she can do so, I will be executing. But Chad, that's me for my rapid fire analysis. Over to you, Geeks.
Hey, there we go. All right, first, Ernst, answering your thing. Obviously, I don't know what time you joined. If it was after 5 o'clock yesterday, or even technically after 4, the support team has gone home. So when they're first thing in office now this morning, they'll probably be adding you. So just let me know about that. Then, yeah, for those guys that obviously wishing Kate, appreciate it. Yeah, I know she'll really appreciate the love from everyone. And yeah, Anna, exactly. There's nothing wrong with adding 0 to 10. We could just make him hold a little bit longer. But let's get into it, guys. Obviously, just start off quickly with the fundamentals. Main event today is CPI. So I think everyone's going to have their focus on that. So I don't think anything too crazy is going to happen with the markets today. I think we're going to be waiting for CPI, but we'll see what happens there. I joined around 3:50-ish. Appreciate the update. Okay, yeah, I'm sure you'll be added very shortly if you haven't already been, brother. So let's go to the dollar. So on the dollar, we are still holding a neutral outlook. Now, again, leaning a little bit more to the bearish side, but we are neutral. Big reason, obviously, we failed coming back down underneath that yearly support. So trading over there again, as I say, we are a bit more on that neutral side. We definitely, I want to say, leaning a bit more bearish, but on technicals, we can't go completely bearish yet. When we do look at this point, Asia highs, Asia lows holding with the EQ, the fake out EQ, trading back in. So we definitely could have the idea that dollar is going to go a bit more bullish, at least get Asia highs. And then we can see literally it parking the bus at that yearly. And then I think around about CPI, you either have that breakaway to the top side or back down again. So we'll just keep a lookout for that. Going over to NASDAQ. Very, very interesting. Obviously, we saw the massive moves yesterday. NASDAQ doing 10.5%, USD doing 7% on the day. So massive moves at the end of the day. And obviously, that comes with a pause on the tariffs. So we're going to see what happens there. China still to respond. I did see something about the respond yesterday about China going to inflict, I don't want to be wrong here, but I think it was 82% tariffs on the US. Obviously, it hasn't been implemented, but that was the threat. So guys, it's a trade war. It's literally what it is. We're just gonna have to see what happens. So right now, this type of volatility isn't gonna go anywhere. As I said, I think if you can embrace it and not shy away from it, it can be very life-changing stuff for you. You can have some of the biggest trades you probably will have in history for a very long time. But that's why you just gotta be careful and hopefully get yourself on the right side of it. So looking at it now, two things can happen. We can have a massive correctional move, but this also at the same time could be the correctional move. So for now, we could be going bullish a little bit for now. But again, for me, main thing is I want to see what happens today. We are already at the weekly R1. Asia lows, Asia highs. So they all have that 1 point. It's the case. First thing we want to see now is the retest. If we get to Asia highs, again, I want to see this thing drive with volume. If it fails over there, it's Asia highs with a previous weekly high. Coming back down, we're going to see that move fall again. You guys know how I feel about that. So hence why I'll take a bit more of a neutral. Won't say I'm bearish, but we'll take a neutral outlook because the main end of the day, I need to see how today closes if it can hold this key area, or if it fails, it's just going to come right back down. Going over to US30. US30, pretty much the same thing, guys. I'm not going to say I'm bearish anymore again, really, but we can still take a neutral outlook. We are at a weekly key level. It needs to hold that and see, because two things can happen. Even if this holds, it could still have a correction all the way down to 40,000, that psychological number, even back down to the weekly pivot area, and see a retracement to at least then go bullish after that. So that's why you can still have quite a bit of a pullback. So what we want to see there is, again, even if this thing holds monthly S1, we can look at possible longs off of there. But again, I think nothing too crazy London session. I think we're going to have to wait there and see what happens after CPI. Then we'll get that volume to continue. So basically, weekly key level, whatever happens there, breaks above hold, we can see the long. If we break test, hold resistance, we can see that move again, because now we are creating a nice little bit of a low here at Asia lows with also that monthly S1. So if it does break this, we want to see a bit of volume drive into the downside. Then lastly, quickly, gold. Gold, again, really going for those all-time highs. We are putting a lot of pressure on this thing. It's opening up very, very quickly and aggressively. So when I look at the 4 hour, again, just a lot of straight one-way momentum. We are now at that weekly resistance. So when we start dropping down, we can see, guys, again, same thing I've always said to you. So let's just look at it like this. You have obviously this level you tested. Yes, you tested it again, but this time you did technically take out that high. Then what happens is you come down. We now have this bodily highs, holding resistance, taking it out, and further breaking lower. So we're starting to see that little bit of a shuffle that way. So again, I must say the same thing, a bit of correction move. I do like the idea of a bit of a short-term pullback. You could get something to go even to previous daily highs, even previous lows. But again, as I say, CPI could be a complete mix. So you could get something like this with CPI today. Otherwise, this thing could even just continue further down. So I'm not going to sit here and say, hey, we're going to swing for the fences. We take what we can get. But I mean, 3,100, nice psychological number, nice pullback. No retest since the breakout. We can see how it held resistance, finally break. Now we want to see it hold support. So this move, if it does go bearish, that nice continuation there. But if this does break above anything above Asia highs, we can see that being the daily one, daily R1 and weekly R1. Then we want to see that continuation all the way back to all-time highs. So very interesting one there for us today. But we're going to monitor it. We're going to see what Miles is looking for. And then also we are going to put on the gold indicator. Just holding it, Chad. Okay. Chad. Look at that. Trade for you actually giving the signal as well to sell. TP1 already hit. Sure. Chad, we starting earlier. Yeah. At this rate, Miles going to have to start taking trades quicker. Trade for you is beating him to it.
Shit, I'm going to have to wake up earlier.
So trade for you already in the game here. We'll see how this one plays out for us there today, guys.
It should play out because I'm waiting for that 15 close. If we get that 15 close, it should continue down.
Yeah, for now, I'll leave it on there, Miles. If you're going to take a trade, obviously put it onto your screen.
Yes.
So the guys can monitor to see how this plays out. Yeah, we'll quickly just switch it over to Miles then. Keys, is there possible insider trading that happened? Where are you referring to? True, bro. Looks, you know, brother. Chris looks younger today. Bro, it's the haircut. Just the haircut.
Guys went for haircut yesterday. Took some cuts off some of the age. Look, Keanu, you honestly just gotta let the trades run, bro. That's the only way you're gonna get that confidence. Just allow the trades to run.
If we knew insider trading happened, there would be lawsuits. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, Chad, we got London open next 50 seconds. You got the...
I've got it, brother.
Key's gonna open up for us. We got 40 seconds. I would love to see this candle close bearish beneath here, and then I can get some shorts in.
I feel like there was definitely inside trading yesterday. How the announcement came just after market close was suspect. Okay, hold on. Am I missing something, guys? What announcement? Oh, that announcement. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I get what you guys are saying now. I was a bit lost there, chat. I won't lie. Alright, chat, and that is it. Round 8? 7? Yeah, 7. Round 7. Markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight.
Just adjusting my area a little bit here.
It feels so weird how London's like a odd number because it's always in my head. I just know it's even numbers. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Chad, I just adjusted my zone on gold because it did provide us with support, but you look at that support area that formed now, it's still beneath the bodies of the. So in my understanding, this is just liquidity range. Once you can start breaking these lows, we should see price start tanking. So I'll just adjust that. For me to get into sells, I need to see something like this now.
Full 14 gold sales, no pressure trade for you.
Something like that. Next candle. Open up, grab liquidity and start tanking. So that's what I want to see.
With trade for you, what's your opinion between the 5 minute and 50 minute on gold? On 5 minute it gives a sell, but 50 minutes still in buys. I think if you think of that, it's literally how we would look at time frames. So a smaller time frame is going to give you the smaller move. The higher time frame is going to be giving you a bigger move. So that buy is still a massive buy. Again, if we had actually spoke about this yesterday, we personally, when we did the back testing, was holding a trade to TP3. So if you were in TP3, you technically are out that trade already. So you wouldn't be in the buy here. If we do look the 15, as I say, there was your TP2, the buy. But again, guys, I mean, flip, if you already are up, I mean, you're up a lot. How greedy are you trying to push it for you? But that's the biggest scheme. So remember what I said to you guys when I even did my analysis. I said to you that, hey, this thing can have a possible pullback to 3100, for example, and then continue bullish after that. So when you're looking at a 15, you're still considering the higher time frame because you're in the bigger picture. So this could just be a pullback and then continue. The 5 minute is going to give you that shorter term trade. So I don't know if you guys have seen it. You'll have traders who will buy a position, and especially swing traders. They'll be in a massive trade. They're holding that, and while they're holding that, they'll take the scalps that are pullbacks in the positions. I think you can think of it that way. Again, as I said, Chris is the one who has a lot more, I want to say, the back end knowledge here. So maybe he could give you a mathematical answer. But that's how I would consider that.
Yeah, so a lot of people would just pretty much hedge the positions.
Yeah. Keys, ask Chris there, is he keen for my helmet or just window shopping? And he also said brokey. Alright. Brian, Chris said he thought you were going to give it to him for being a cool guy.
Like, what is the sign MotoGP helmet between mates?
Yeah, there you go, bro. In case you're he's just like, yo, what's a signed MotoGP helmet between mates?
No, tell him once we start selling trade to you.
Wait, who's it signed by?
You know Brad Bender. Didn't you say you know Brad Bender's dad?
Yeah, we're family friends with him.
Yeah, so
Trevor.
it's Brad Bender, the one Mark is in a lot.
Wait, what's the price on this?
I'll show it to you.
Oh, okay, hold on. Don't answer. Chris is going to tell me. Yeah, but I'll talk to Trevor, bro. I'll see if we can get you something.
I'll check now. No, this is fine. If the confirmation candle doesn't have a bottom look like that, that's fine. That's fine.
Brian, remember it's WhatsApp. It will take Chris 7 business days to respond.
Oh, Brian, just to remind me of the chat to read my WhatsApp.
30k each, and the bender lid is the only black sound visor in SA.
Yeah, possible type 3 on GJ, yeah, for sure. Possible type 3 sells on GJ. I won't be taking it. I don't like GJ's play today. But yeah, can definitely work.
Good morning, Chadadonia, Niblets, and Keegs. Hey, what's up? Bro, that nickname's stuck, eh?
Bro,
Niblet.
I don't know how that nickname stuck, dude. I think I might have to change my Call of Duty now. Niblets.
Just keep it on your screen.
I just got killed by Niblets. There's a blind in the chat, his name's Niblets.
Yeah.
Hectic. Etty done me dirty with that name, bro.
Oh, Chad, just quickly there. If you didn't take TP1, you had a second chance now to take TP1. It is doing the work of the people. Volto better than the
Connor, we'll try again today. Yesterday I was just tired, bro. Yo. I think I was in bed by like 9 yesterday. I was choked. We'll try again today.
I want to watch for bars around 3100 on gold. Alright, Brian, so you may have the same idea, bro. Keep it there, Miles, I know he's looking for something.
I want to see if this 15 can close beneath. If so, I'll take the sells. That's a 15 engulfing as well. We just broke those lows. If price can close there, boys, I'll be selling gold this morning.
Now, Brian, if he buys a full membership for Prodigy, you can send us the helmet.
Alright, okay, Brian, Chris has a proposal. If you buy 4 years membership of Project G, you can send the helmets. But I can send proposal back. Let's see what's going on here. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum,
Yo,
bum,
dollar?
bum. Whoa.
What, it pushed almost $20 yesterday, boys.
That did hit $20 yesterday.
Damn. Oh, that's good.
I can hear that sarcastic laugh.
Chad, how are we doing though? How are we looking for the week? Everyone should be heavily up.
It's been a good week, bro.
Been a good week, man.
Cracker's been smashing it for the team. You guys have been having some W's. I think Miles had the biggest trade of his life. It's been a good
Yeah,
week,
when
guys.
was this?
I think it was Monday.
Monday. Guys had a huge week Monday. I'm not gonna lie.
Miles, for the first time, did, 2 weeks worth of trading?
83 pips.
4.
It's
It's a week and a half, of
yeah.
straight wins.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, I told you, don't worry. We're going to convert him.
No.
He's going to do that in his...
No.
I think of it, guys. If I did 3 of those in a row, that's like a month of trading in 3 days.
Shit.
We
Chad,
gotta-
I won't lie. Monday was dope, man. Monday was dope.
We got to convert him, Chad.
Funded accounts on very deep blues.
Find it on life support.
Shit, man.
Oh.
What do you think that is, Jared? Why do you think it is? I want to hear from you, like.
You know my thing is that, guys. And I was very skeptical of saying this, but you know what, I'm just going to say it because to one point of that, and it's the only thing I'm going to say, is if someone has a 100% win rate Why is it they still can't pass a problem challenge? Just take business out of the equation. Talk trading, talk the topic. Why can't you pass a problem account? So I'm just leaving that there. It's not a thing of this contest anymore. We're not going to do all this other stuff, but I'm leaving it at that, guys. People can do their own questions and put 1 and 2 together. Some can't math keys. Yeah, bro. It's.
What are you waiting for on golf? Possibly the 9th hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, I normally want to use
Depending if the weather's good, we can maybe do an 18 hole, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm definitely keen on that. To be honest, I just like the golf carts. That's more my vibe, just cruising around the golf cart.
One
but-
plus what does he live? E.T.
Yeah, I would say that same thing, Jared. Psychology is a big thing.
That is. I've always said it, guys. For example, just talking funded accounts. A lot of the time, I think goes back to we actually spoke about it at the Cape Town seminar. It's phase 2 is easy. If you go back to the day of when there were still time limits, when you traded phase 1, you had to achieve a 10% target in 30 days. And people, you trading because you have to get it.
Yeah.
Even yes, if you're in profit, you don't lose the account, but it resets back to 0 and you have to pass it in 30 days. Then it goes back to phase 2. Phase 2, you have half the target, 5%. You get double the amount of time, those 60 days to pass it, but then more people fail in phase 2 than they do in phase 1. It's the mind games. It literally is just the mind games.
Because they want to get it done quick.
Exactly, because now you think I'm so close. I'm so close.
Bigger lots, maybe
You rush
more
it,
trades.
you overtrade, you over leverage, you overtrade, and before you know it, you're down. Now you're emotional because I'm down and I'm gonna blow this. And it's just a whole roller coaster, and that's why oaks blow. The amount of psychology that's involved in trading. Ever crashed a golf cart in a blitz?
Nah.
No?
Nah, I didn't. I almost flipped one, I won't lie to you. We were playing at
Keegs, I see someone is giving away the indicator for free if you use his HFM partner code.
I think it was it was actually
Hey.
at Goose Valley. Came off one of the hills and I think I went a bit too fast. I was
Eddie,
two-wheeling.
I'm not gonna have a comment on it, bro. So I said we kind of staying out of it. Not honestly bothered by this stuff anymore. As I said, a lot of the things, you know what, guys, Chris and myself actually had a talk about it, and again, it's not stirring the pot anymore, but it's just a thing for you guys. We keep quiet about so much stuff because we like, you know what, it's not even worth it. And the amount of shit people want to bring up and say about us and say this, and it's just because we don't air the dirty laundry, we don't air the behind the scenes stuff. People will say, but you see, that other guy was right, or this was how it ended, or this was this, purely because you're hearing one side of the story and you're not letting us show you the story with receipts, with everything. So we look like the bad guy. And you know what? We do not need to drag someone's name through the dirt to make us look like good guys. I always said to you, the problem is, in general, not trading related, people. The problem with people in today's society, and this is what actually stems to the problem in Forex in South Africa. The only way people can grow in Forex in South Africa is by dragging down those that are doing better than them. They cannot uplift themselves. And that's the problem. So, there's a lot of the behind the scenes stuff, and that's why we're just leaving it. We're not even going to entertain it anymore. People you think are friends, people that you think you've helped, you've looked out for, you've done so much for, and then they have what they have to say about you. That's just it, chat. It's not even about drama anymore. It's just a thing of we leaving it for that reason. When there's beef with someone that you don't really care about, and then it's a friend, you know what, you don't have to entertain that. It's a different kind of thing then. Since I know, but I did see it already, bro. And yeah, man, trade unlimited for 4 months and still in phase 1. But hey, bro, that's a reward because again, we spoke about it. I don't know if it was Daddy FX and there was someone else we spoke about who had accounts for so long, and whether they're still in phase 1 or phase 2, the fact you had that account for so long and you haven't blown it, bro, you can pat yourself on the back. That's an achievement for that. Yeah, rushing phase 2 will have you blow the account quick, definitely. But I was under the covers. That's why you have to keep your eyes on the path. What did I miss? Not much, Linden. We'll trade for use in a gold sell. It's already hit TP1, but that's pretty much what you missed.
You're ready.
And people like bragging way too much, like you're not used to success. Yeah, I don't know where this became a trend. You have to show your amount of money that comes into your FB account.
31.18.25, Chad. 31.18.25. This will be my entry on Goldilocks. We're going to extend that stop loss today to 45 bags. And TP1 will be the lows. But obviously 10.
Next launches futures in SA 17th of April.
And then overall TP is down here for 53. Okay, there's my trade for the morning.
Chris, you hear that?
Right, boys, I'm in gold cells.
I always think it was the same thing. So I don't know what
Also, return futures.
Yeah, Brian, he's also still like, we don't know what the difference is, but when you see other things on the side of the road, it's hard, yeah. Would it be interesting to see if we were allowed to trade the futures? Well, I mean, if it's launching in SA, I think that would make sense if you could trade it.
On the process of registering with the SEC and the CFTC.
Brian, we are in the process of registering, bro. So we will have it soon. SEC.
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 Exchange Commission.
Okay.
And then CFTC.
CFTC. That's a lot of letters there, guys. But there you go.
Right, Chad. So let's see. Can we smack this TP1? TP1 going to break even, securing partials, and then run and go.
Alright, guys. Niblets is catching on the niblets of trade for use trade. So you got 2 bangers. We know Miles is bringing the volume there with
Come
us.
on, baby.
So this trade is just gonna slide all the way to TP. Just
Nah,
silky
leave my fucking hands alone. Leave my hands, dog.
It's fine, bro. Don't you worry.
Hey, come on, baby.
Trade for using on your screen.
Look at it. Check there. Bang. We told you earlier. Look at it. It's still running.
Does it use signals? Trade for you.
That thing's already. Sure, 40 pips up. 40 pips. Trade for you guys. Do we have a hashtag here for? I mean, exclamation point.
No, I think we're working for it. We don't even have an IB.
We will. Yeah, guys, it's hard to make you guys use something where we're not pushing an IB link, where we're not doing any of that crap. So
We'll first need to get an IB.
yeah, we first have to get an IB link to actually push it for you guys. But
These boys are spicy, guys.
No, but we honestly
Chad,
don't have
that
an
is TP1 smacked on the bum. I'm going to break even on that. Securing partials. Thank you very much. That is
Don't do it,
another
Miles.
dub.
don't do it.
IB. Let me lock.
Ah, come
Don't
on.
do it.
Let me lock his arm.
Don't do it.
Check this man right out. Let me lock.
Down for the day, awesome. Also, nice that tennis 10, sir. There you go, WJ Miles. Chris is locked in.
Good Chad. I was going to run out the office. But boys, we got...
Alright, Chad, that's what you can't see there. He's literally in the middle of both of the cameras. Chris is sitting there comfortably eating breakfast because he knows he's like 50 pips deep already in TP. So he's chilling there.
So, Chad, just want to say shout out. Trade for you. Catching that exact same banger. It was this morning. Huh?
I'm just showing them that you can't, Chad, what Miles talking about. The same trade.
So let's see that into there quickly. Chad, I just want to show you.
Yeah, we're going on 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
It's on the 5.
Show it.
Okay.
There you are. There you can
Okay, got it.
Okay, so I'm going to there, Miles, so you can show you both of them.
So, let's see what happened here today, Chad. I did take this trade with Chris this morning because I told him this is absolute bullshit. There's no ways this thing is going to be hitting TPs. So I took the trade, allowed the runner to go. I just closed everything there at 44 pips plus my 10 pips. That is 54 pips on full position for the whole day. So if that doesn't prove it to you boys, trade for you is absolutely brilliant. Smacking TPs on the bum. For those that like to hold on to bums for longer, you can continue holding, but I'm done for the day. 54 pips and I'm outie.
There we go. Yeah, Chad.
Chad, that's power online.
I'm just gonna say it. Do you think we can get a burger after this, or a wrap? Apparently, I can't get curry, but we. Yo, Chad, hold on. We can't talk about this. Apparently, us talking like this is looking for beef. Apparently. Can't make jokes anymore, guys. Yo, these boys are flipping emotional. Chad, if you don't see Miles for the next month, you know why. That man's gonna come here next month. He's gonna rock up here in a new car. He's just gonna be like, guys, 50's 50. There's no you must just forget that those 10 is 10 was never a thing. 50 is 50. Blown accounts will have you cry like a baby at every comment. Yeah. Once you taste 50. Yeah, Chad, you know what, Kajita, you say that again. As I said, we have to keep quiet about things. But the second trader, who apparently had a beef with us, and when he got all emotional, we were chilled. But again, the behind the scenes doesn't tell you the day he lost his shit was the same day he blew 260k. But yet we were the problem. Not him getting emotional because he blew money. So it's always interesting, guys. As I say, lots of behind the scenes stuff, but because we don't tell it, we the bad guy. So many little jabs on the stream. Bro, as I said, Chad, I'm not gonna lie to you. We don't want to entertain it, and we really don't. But you know what? It pisses us off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Chad. It's cock. And yeah, for the comments that have been made, again from someone that's a friend, and you want to make those comments, it pisses you off. It sucks.
But Chad, yeah, man. Who took those GJ Type 3s?
GJ Type 3?
Yeah, shit, she's playing out brilliant as well, my dude. Break of lows, that's 43 pips up.
Hey.
Ooh wee. Chad, markets is juicy this week.
Hey, Maxi. Oh, actually, I'm third in your competition. Let's have a look. I'm gonna pull it up here quickly.
Let's see this. Let's actually check that.
I'm gonna pull it up now.
Those stats. How's everybody doing? I mean, we're in the 10th day. Let's see who's surviving. I still remember like a couple names that was on top.
All right, Chad. Let's have a look here. I think that is a thing. Hold on. Trader highlights. Okay, that is
my name.
Let's have a look.
Just flip screens.
There we go. Aura. Yes, you're third, my brother. You are third. 23.21%. Bro, what is Maxi, please, bro, I don't mean to take away from you. But Paul, what the mood is that, bro? We need, okay, but don't worry, guys. We're gonna investigate that, man. He either caught the trade yesterday, which then would be understandable, but we will have a look into him, Paul. But I mean, even less, to be fair. But to be fair, bro, with the new way the competitions are running now with the trade-offs, even if you make it third, you technically still have the chance to go up against the other two and make big bag.
Guys,
so,
So the kicks. I also think great advice will also be the understanding that once you get to a certain percentage, park the bus a bit, because you'll see the
Yeah.
rest of the people fall.
They'll blow up.
They'll blow up because they're trying to get mad percentages.
I'm
Get a good
6
percentage and
Saturdays.
chill.
London. Wait. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you just trailing there? London?
Thomas
Is it-
FX man?
Griffin. Hey, Griffin, aren't you in the chat? I'm pretty sure Griffin's in the chat.
Which Dylan is that?
Dylan, where do you? I have no clue, bro. It's very hard for me to answer that for you when I just see Dylan.
Yeah,
It's very hard to answer.
I thought
that.
you have like more information. My bad, dog. What headsets are we wearing? These are.
It's our podcast ones. Because we don't use the headsets when we do podcasts anymore. I don't know if you guys noticed that. But yeah, it's the old podcast ones.
Yeah, so these headsets actually come with the TradeView glasses. They are exclusive range from Apple. We got them made last week.
On the other leaderboard. Oh,
They're crazy, bro.
oh, Lyndon's 6 on the actual leaderboard. Oh, damn. Chris, what happened to Jevon? Okay, so
Chris
let's answer that. Again, we're not starting beef. I think it's just fair that if you guys want answers, let's give you. So, what happened to Jevon? Now, I'm going to put it back there on miles for you guys. What happened there? Jevon came to us and said the one day, guys, I want to start a stream. I said, sharp, alright, okay, you want to start your stream? All the best, bro. This was still when he was in our office. If you guys remember, he was in when we were in the old offices, he already started his stream. So he was doing his own stream. We moved to the new building, and Jeff said to us, guys, is it cool if I'm gonna stream, but like I can't, because I'm streaming, like it's a bit cuck, like I stream with my setup, now I'm in the office, so like I've got to be back and forth, and he had a meeting with Chris, and Chris has said to me, he said, bro, if you're gonna do something, he says, if anything, I can give you the best advice, same thing we've said to you guys, you've got to just start. I'm just gonna put it back on there because I don't know why the cameras are squished on the other layout. And said to us, cool, if you're going to do something, do it. Commit to it. Firstly, you do synthetics because that's what you're good at. Don't... sorry, Chad, I just need to quickly answer this here. Sorry, so I'm going to obviously answer you guys now.
We got 3 minutes just for interest sake. Obviously, I've taken my first trade for the day. It's done and dusted. Gold, we might see that close beneath 31.18 on the 30. If that happens, Chad, the exact same trade that we just took, there's another opening again for price to continue after the 30-minute confirmation. That's going to give you that engulfing of the bearish support level, bullish support level as well, which will give you the idea that price can continue tanking further down. I like that. Looks quite nice. More so as well, if this candle can close weak bullish, oh my days, that would be stunning as well.
Alright, yeah, sorry guys. So, what I was saying is, so we said to him, bro, by all means, no one else is doing synthetics, so go. If that can work for you, there's a platform for it. You've grown, you're comfortable in front of camera, by all means go do it. We still gave him the old camera. The camera he uses today was still given to him by us. We gave him everything he needed to help him. As I said, for those that don't know, Chris put it on the comments. Crystal paid him, once he left our offices, Crystal paid him for 2 more months after he'd actually already left the office to make sure he can get on his feet, get some time to get everything going. And it was all the best. We weren't not for him, we were happy for him, we wanted the best for him. If you guys go back on his stream, go look at the stream. When we heard he was close to hitting 1,000 subscribers, we still made the effort to make sure we were on that stream to congratulate him when he hit 1,000. Guys, we have not had any bad intent for him. Nothing there. The man wanted to do his own stream. He wanted to branch off and grow himself. And there's nothing wrong with that. So he went, and that's literally the story. You guys can ask, if you ever want to see anything, ask him. Pull up chats. Pull up anything. Because I've got all the chats with Jeff. Which again, before he wants to try and throw shade at us, he must remember that. So there's no manipulating shit. We can pull up all the chats. And exactly what Chris said, I'm not going to put it on stream because, again, we don't need to air people's bad stuff. And I'm still not going to air it for him. But it did come out. So if you want to, you can go look on Rydell's video under the comments. And you can go see what the truth was. Why he stopped liking us, because we wouldn't do something for him. And we had his own members messaging us, and again, we've got all the receipts, so there's no manipulating stuff here. And obviously he became very close with the second trader, who once we had written him off, they became very close. And obviously that person spread rumors to him, and ever since that he's had something against us. But yeah, there was never ever any ill intent, guys. Personally myself, I gave Jev lifts to work every single day. I gave him lifts to work and dropped him off at home every single day. There was never any ill intent. So when he left because he wanted to do his own thing, and we wished him the best. Miles can tell you himself, there was never any ill intent against
So
the
there
guy.
to interrupt you, Chad, that's TP to get on that second position. If anybody,
GJ or Gold?
gold.
Showing you guys. Obviously you can see trade for you going, but there is Miles' position also going. But trade for you on the way to there's TP2, Chad. Trade for you, just doing the things, guys. Doing the things.
Chad, I
You've
literally
been watching this the whole morning. Yeah.
I think that would have been like a 2-second trade, and then it just dropped what? Poof.
So you guys can't hear. I'm just hearing Chris down the hall. Trade for you.
Grimo!
So as I said, guys, I don't want to say we want the drama. And again, guys, we wanted to end there. That's why we're not responding. That's why we're not posting about it on socials. We're not doing it. But if you guys want answers, I'm not going to lie to you. We'll happily give you the answers. There was never ill intent with these guys. There was never a fallout. There was never any of that. But yet somehow they are now talking negative about us and this and that. And they can't tell you why. What we did to them, but now it's all negative against us. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah, at the end of the day, facts are facts. The stream is Miles. Okay, hold on, guys, let me just catch up here what you guys were saying. The boys seeing crazy numbers on the comp, just trading. Yeah, see life through the eyes of infamous niblets. We want answers. Well, I was wondering why he's throwing shade at you guys on his stream when y'all wish him the best. Is crazy. Zach, that's what I said, bro. If he can show me anywhere I did anything against him, please, because we did just wish him the best. Same with the other guy. He forgets. I don't want to name names, but you know the second trader. He moved down for 4 days. 4 days, Chad. I was his personal Uber, driving him around, doing everything. My partner, Kate, you guys all know Kate. Kate was shopping for underwear because they had nothing. Kate was shopping for underwear for his partner. Yet, we have shade getting thrown at us. Like, again, we have all the messages, Chad. Where have we wished ill intent on these people? It's crazy, the audacity to throw shade the way he is doing. Yeah, I actually remember how y'all supported Jev. Jev became a hater. At the end of the day, facts are facts. The stream is miles ahead of any other stream. TG Skidman Rockets and the other boys Skidman. Yeah, as I say, guys, there was never this ill intent. Yeah, and that's why I say, Chad. That's what I say. I don't want it to be respect, but if anyone, you get what we're saying. The fact that we did see these guys as friends and they are saying what they're saying about us for whatever reason, it hurts. And that's, I think, why it's where it's at now. And rather the fact of, you know what, we don't want to say this. We don't want drama. It's not what it was with these other boys, because again, the difference is it was someone you could say you saw as a friend, and that's why it's where that. People must grow up, man. The country's stuffed enough as it is. Yeah, bite in the hand that feeds you is crazy. Personally speaking, all of this is just alluded to me. I have love and respect for all parties involved in this, as long as no one is lying. Lying is the only thing that kills me, 100%. Dorito, my brother, you've been around from day one. I think you've come down, you've met us in person, and you can tell me if that's the people that, if we are lying, if that is the type of people we are. As I said, if people wanted anything, if people are saying I'm lying, whatever proof you want, I'll happily send it to you, and you can make it up for yourself. Because again, we've got nothing to hide here. Miles gave us another clip there. I'm ready.
No, these guys are smooth.
Miles'
with those
reaction
clips,
is
bro.
hilarious. Hey guys, it's straight for your guys' indicator. Yeah, it is, brother. It's still in pre-testing. The Prodigy members have early access to it, but it's forward testing before it goes out to everyone else. Where are those wrestle brothers? Same thing, bro. Same thing. Help the guys, did everything. Again, because that is massive stuff that happened behind the scenes, and I'm not even going to say myself. I'm going to say, to me, they were just brothers. We did everything together. I'll say Chris, for example. Chris helped those boys massively behind the scenes, and it got thrown in their face. When the time happened and shit hit the fan, what was the comment? No, but that's in the past. Don't bring up the past. That was legit the comment. And I'm like saying, bro, that man helped you when you were down and out. When you were on the phone crying to him. Chris helped those boys. Yet when the shit hit the fan, the past is the past. Don't bring that up. Like, come on, guys. How do you get access to trade fee? As I said, Pablo, Project G has free access to it. While it's in the forward testing phase, they do have access to it. But once it's done forward testing, it will be going out to everyone else. If yourself and Chris kept it clean and classy all the way, like the way I know you boys to be, all this should blow over soon. All love, Keek. Say hi to Chris, Mo, and the team there, please. Nah, definitely all my brother. You know, it's all love there, my bro. Personally, the indicator will eventually be released to the public. Personally, Personally, I never trusted the second trader, Keeks. Yeah, we always said he came down, and when we asked him, bro, who packs up and just moves, and his always answer was just to us, I want to be around the same guys with the same vibe. That was his answer. You telling me you're going to pack up, move your family, move everything to be around the same vibe? That was always the answer we got. We could never get a straight up answer. Then whatever the drama happened, and which, again, as I said, happened the day he lost a lot of money. And then that's the same day you ironically lose your crap with us. And that was the end of it. For those that know, obviously that podcast is literally the only thing ever that was taken down on our channel. But it was live. Etty was one of the guys that were there. I know Etty was there because Etty was upset. You guys were live. And you can tell us if we were wrong on that day when that man lost his shit at us. You can let me know if we were wrong. But again, you guys, the people that did see that live, they saw it. They can tell you if I'm manifesting stuff here. If I'm fabricating stuff here, sorry. Riem, hope you're well, brother. There was a brother here going by the name of Doro. He said he was banned on Discord. ANC was his name. Rooks, we will check into it. There was a reason. I do think I remember the ANC guy. It was because he promoted something. As I say, if you promote anything, or if you're rude, if you were hacked, obviously, anything like that, the Discord will automatically ban you. And it's not like you guys have a gun to your head saying, use trade for you. We can legit go the other guys indicators if you want. Law, I feel you, Keeks. That's the thing, bro. That man's pushing an agenda there. We haven't pushed an agenda. And secondly, yeah, you, end of the day, choose who you want to do it. Same thing, yeah. If you choose to take Miles trade, you chose to take Miles trade. If you choose to trade the cracker, you chose to trade the cracker. All we've done is given you the platform. You still choose to do what you want to do.
Yeah.
No one's making you do anything.
Yeah.
Sure, Chad. This
Very
trade
true.
for you thing. TP3 incoming. Jake's 100% with you on that.
Chris is
Dorito
the
is our Batman. Since day one I saw Nyemania, Dimansa, said to Khan, I felt all this Miles is just 10 is 10. Who is the second trader? You said it.
Chill vibes, bro. Chill vibes.
Chad, man, you guys.
Etty, yo. I need to meet you in person, but I feel like you're gonna be a lach.
Seems like I missed a lot. Yeah. I don't want to get caught. Yeah, Brother Ricks, if there was a ban, there was more impersonate someone on the Discord. No one gets banned for nothing. Yeah. They're ungrateful. Don't even give them the time of day, Keeks. He's angry because he missed out massively by leaving VF. Yeah, he said it maybe because of spam on his channel. Key trade for you is really clean and simple. That's why we wanted it to be. Honestly, and again, as I said, Chad, I'm not wanting beef. I'm just giving you Oak's answers. If we copied a trade, this is something simple. If we copied something, why did yesterday his trade give us a buy, our trade gave us sell? If we copied something, why did we get two different signals yesterday? That's the fact. Look at them. If you have both indicators, because there's people that are in Prodigy that have the one, and there's people here that have his. If we copied it, why did the one give a buy yesterday and the one gave a sell? Again, just do the maths, guys.
Yeah.
Don't let it discourage you from still being a good human. That podcast was very upsetting, no cap. Mad respect to you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Only people I trust in the industry. Hey, brother, we really appreciate it. That conference made me boil. I was there.
And I wish I saw it.
Sorry, this thing jumps the whole time.
I really
guys.
wish I saw it.
Look into it. I have no likes. Message you on Discord, yeah. It's not annoyed before. Doing weird things. That's why I'm so grateful for what you and Chris have taught me through Prodigy for the past year and 3 months. Lyndon, you know we have so much time for you, my brother. Anything, we always appreciate the kind words. We need merch saying 10 is 10, boys. 10 is 10 vibes.
We need to
now.
do
There's always a runner. Yeah, I definitely think Miles will be the next collaboration, guys. Sorry, this thing obviously keeps jumping here for me. Those guys ruined a good thing. I still supported Gemini streams, and he got angry because I watched 2Gs instead of him. Jex, I remember that. And that's the thing, guys. You get angry at your supporter because he's watching. That's like saying to me, because I'm a Stormers supporter, you cannot be a Stormers supporter because you watch the Sharks and Bulls game. No, I'm South African. So I support my team, but at the end of the day, I'm still going to watch the other South African teams also. Because when they play in against an English side, I'm still going to back the South African team. But I can't because, like, what? I'm like, bro, you're weird for that. Cheers. And Miles, thank you, brother, for all your gems you give us every day. That's the small thing. Keys, I can validate. I had this one, not the same. He's entry level basic, yeah. So there you go. Etty, again, giving you guys the answer. Has both, not the same. 10 is dead. 10 is dead, and the AR boys need their top. Throughout, I actually tune Jerry Springer. You guys are the best 2Gs to the world. Miles, I hope you're not angry for me watching New York stream.
Nah, fuck you, Carl.
One YouTube video from Chris and Keys and Niblets, and the streams can change your life, and that's a fact. Armin Pablo, I'm having issues with the indicator. Jack and San, message on Prodigy, brother. Chris can sort you out with it. Obviously, he's busy doing all the behind the scenes stuff, so he can sort you out there. Yes, I have both keys. They are not giving the same entries. Thank you. There you go again, guys. One thing about life is people never change. When a person shows you their true colors, you believe
that's very true.
To be honest, you took the idea from him, but you took the product and made a better one. Nothing can write a Python code with AR. So my thing is, guys, and Ruan, I really appreciate that. With that, the fact that you said that, I did not put any words in anyone's mouth there. Ask him to tell you how he got that indicator. Let's just, you want to say, put in the flip on something. Again, I'm not wanting beef anymore. I'm hurt because these are people that we called friends. That's the reality, Chad. Ask him how he got the indicator. We are traders. I did not go pay someone to build us the indicator. We built our indicator because we're traders. That's what we do. We were in the trading game and the indicating game last year already when we made the 2Gs indicator. We've been in this game. So yes, you gave us the idea to just say, hey, build an indicator that says buy or sell. Put your strategy into it. Put something in that's simple for people to use and tell them to buy or sell on the indicator. 100% yes, you gave us that idea. But we still went and made it our own. So Ruan, I 100% won't argue with you there, and I appreciate that you said that, my brother. I appreciate that you said it because I did not make you say that. And now he's mad, so kudos to you for being the smarter businessman. If gold retraces back to TP1, would you consider for re-entry? Nah, bro. If you know me, I've always said if a trade runs,
It's done.
bro, you just miss the trade.
Yeah.
Don't try jumping late. If you
Yeah.
miss the bus, you just get the next bus. So wait for the next trade.
Guys, also just one thing. Even with the indicator that's so awesome, don't let it take you away from understanding what is happening in the markets. Don't kill your strat. Align it with your strat.
100% Shaq influence. We had our issue with Shaq. Shaq then became chummies with Jev, influenced Jev, and then answered this. Because again, the same thing. Are Jev and Shaq still friends today? No, they had the fallout as well. For the same reason that Jev now isn't our friend. Because we wouldn't assist him with something. That's the only reason. Again, when it goes to, because I saw the comments, someone made the comment that we don't like beef, but what was the scenario with Bandile and Jason Noah? Chad, did we ever have an issue with Bandile? I don't remember any fight with Bandile, firstly. Second, those that were around, why did we have the issue with Jason Noah? Because Jason Noah started shit with Jev, and we stood up for Jev. We only had the little drama for 2 days with Jason Noah because I stood up for Jev. I stood up for Jev into that fight because of the shit Jason was saying to Jev. Jason was saying to Jev. So yeah, that is where that whole beef started, because I was standing up for him. So again, Chad, like, can people just get the thing? And that's what I say, guys, I don't want more beef. I really don't. I'm only saying this because end of the day, these are people we called friends, and the shit they were saying about us, it hurts. We already have a very small circle, and the people we would say are in these circles say the things they say about us. That's why I say it hurts, because we keep our circles small for a reason, and still till that day, people in those circles will say the things they do about you. So I'm sorry if I'm going on a bit here today, Chad. I'm sorry about that. I do apologize. I know you guys are here for trades. Obviously, Trade For You did give you that. But we're a community. We've always kept it real. We've always kept it real with you guys. And that is just the truth. I always said, if you guys want something, if you guys want proof, if you guys want something, I'm happy to give it to you. Because I'm not lying to you guys. I would never do that. That is just the truth of exactly what has happened with everything. The best vibe is right here. Morning 2Gs in the chat. Morning. Hey, Tina Satini. Good to have you here. Keys, the misinformation pisses me off so much. If only people knew the truth. 100%. Shaq said Jev left his side because he could not borrow him money. So the fact Shaq said that, we haven't said that. And again, before anything happens, I'm not going to say it. If you think we're lying, go ask him the truth. Ask him if that was the case. And if he says no, I'm happy to show you screenshots. Because literally, I'm not even going to say anything. Because again, I'm not going to drag someone else's name through the dirt. Miles, just look there. Literally, the last message that was sent there. The last message I had from that person was that, and I did still help. The next time, I didn't help, and then all of a sudden there was the issue. That's what I said. I've got the screenshot, so there's no... If he wants to say something, I've got the screenshot. And that's what I said, Chad. We are not going to lie to you guys. That was never our case. We are never going to bullshit you guys. It's hot here. What's happening? This is more than a community. This is a family. When will the indicator be available for the public? We just want to forward test it a little bit more, and then it will be out to the public. Rusty Burger, someone commented, if there's been a fallout between three people, not clear, you and Chris are the problem, whatever. If only the real reasons why there was fallouts. Forex scene is toxic. Funny thing is, there's more than enough meat on the bone for everyone. Yeah. Sashi, I'm good, brother, bro. I didn't forget about last night. Nah, no stress, keys. We have a community. Sometimes you just have to let things out, lighten your load. I appreciate it, Wesley. I appreciate it, bro. Brian, yeah, last night. When you're a good person, generally toxic people will be attracted to you. But yeah, Chad, as I said, I promise you, I don't want to keep the negativity. I don't want to talk about it really. I do apologize again if we spoke about it a bit too much. But as I said, if you guys want answers, I'll give you answers. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm done trading alone. Bro, it's all about community. End of the day, the community will change so much for you. And on that, Chad, cheers. Yo. I drove past your offices on Tuesday in Newton Park. Dope setup, gents. Hey, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Cheers, Hamstring. What about this? So yeah, Jad, this trade for you, it's a work in progress, but it's doing a shift there. That sound caught my attention now. Hey, you can't be drinking on the job, bro. Can't be drinking on the job. Hey. But Chad, my last thing, and that is the one thing. If you have two people that have built an indicator, you're beefing with people because there's two indicators now, not one. But where did we get to the point that let's think of this, the mission. Why did we build an indicator? For the community. We built an indicator for community. When did we get to the point that having more indicators that both work in all their rights is a bad thing for the community? Is it not the better for the community? Keith, I need to DM you on Instagram. Don't want to throw it. You can DM me, brother. Is it something you want me to answer it now for you, or what's it about, Keenan?
Right, Chad. What's happening? But we done early today, boys. Trade for you, slapping it. 2 entries on gold, MFX way, slapping it. Damn, it's only 10 o'clock.
We've literally got the meeting at 12 o'clock. So after 12 o'clock, we should have the code for you guys. Yeah. Said this before, but really enjoying the Project G content. Appreciate you. I really appreciate it, my man. I really appreciate it. And I said the boys are running around the office here enjoying their profits.
We changed the IB links.
Hey, koop my IB link.
GJ doing a number as well, holding this level of support. I just want to see, because GJ also flipped bullish now on that 30. So that sentiment actually is slightly more bullish than anything else.
Keenan, did you send me a message, brother? Let me just search. Sure. Yeah, Alright, Keenan, bro. If I don't know if you're still here, brother, just send me pop me a DM, bro. I'm not seeing anything.
Gigs are joining CPAD? I don't think so. No?
Chat, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, I was out last night at a friend's birthday. So I honestly didn't do like my deep thing. So Chris and myself are gonna talk about it. If I feel it's a good move, I'll take the shot at it. If I feel it's not worth it, then I won't trade it. So yeah, we'll just see what happens.
I'm done trading alone. Look, brother, you definitely found an awesome community over here. So, if this is your first time, we do this live every day, Monday to Friday, London and New York.
No, we don't trade German 40.
Hulle moet meer skommel, ja. Wow. Miles that birthday. Bro, I literally just went to the Kiriana shop and grabbed whatever. Because I can't say the other word because we'll get choked for that as well.
Hey. Yo, I'm gonna go pee quickly, Chad.
Now do your thing, dog.
I'm gonna put it on your screen.
Yeah. I was checking what I missed here. Why does who's in that? Lennon sounds like Dominic Toretto. This is more than. This is family. All love, London. Frogs is toxic, funny, bruh. It's been like that all the years. Like every year, there's gonna be somebody beefing with someone. I don't get why, dude. Like we said yesterday, like there's literally turnovers of trillions of dollars every day. Why not guide and help each other instead of trying to see who can be the better bra? For what point are you trying to prove? Small Totti syndrome. But guys, we might see closures on GJ beneath this dynamic level of support. That would definitely be a re-entry point for those possible shorts, because type 3s from that resistance, break of support could be that re-entry. Then on the contrary, engulfing could be longs as well. Definitely. Gold 30 also about to close. If this 15 closes weak, bullish, break of lows is going to be type 5 style for shorts down. So if this candle closes, why am I so off center? If this candle closes weak bullish, if we look what happened on that lower time frame, this essentially is price doing something like this. We have support, the drive, the retest, the whole of resistance for price to continue further down. And on your 15, it's going to be price driving, closing beneath there, retesting, grabbing liquidity, weak bullish closure for the next candle to pop up and start ripping down. I personally feel like gold is going to see 31. That's what I honestly feel like we're going to see. Gold is going to see 31 today. Miles coming in with which part? Slashing me to little more like Von Bettel.
Yo, Chad, I'm sure we can get some more likes there, Chad. I mean, we are sitting now at 235 concurrent viewers, only 90 likes. I mean, come on, guys. Sure, you guys can give us a little bit more love than that.
90 likes, that's terrible. 3 winning trades called today on stream for only 90 likes. It's bad, boys. If we can get that likes to at least 200, I'll call another position. Let's do 150. Let's do 150 and I'll call another educational position. Disclaimer for the entire today is this is not financial advice, boys. Don't forget that. Don't you think gold can push up from 3-1 support levels? For me personally, that's not really a support level, brother. We have LTA right down to 3100. To be very honest, my bro. And we have a lot of volume. I feel like but bro, honestly, Jared, in every industry is. When I used to be heavy in like the car racing scene and stuff like that, even in the stunt scene, bro, there's always beef. This bra's car is faster than this bra. This bra's car is lower than this bra's car. This guy stole this guy's rim idea. There's always beef. Guys go on like females at times, and I just watch them like, you idiots. Are you bored? Whoo! Shoo! 250 likes, and we are giving away a 2 million rand Vault Funder account. Ooh. Boys, now you're going to want to push. Prices also might go to the previous daily high on gold. What's that number for you, my brother? Yeah, QP. Guys, QP, hey, don't sleep on the QPs, man. Custom, nah, he's for real, dog. Okay, there's that 15:30 close. Okay, so yeah, this would be the next position for me, honestly. Is break of these lows. It's just dirt. And then bietjie kort gaan, hoor. Something like that. Okay, obviously extend that stops 45. TP 110, TP 2 will be right down there, 3100. That would be the idea. Miles Fishing P with Lyndon, bro. That's one of the reasons why. Because I mean, if I don't want to be the dude that's gonna toot his own horn, but with the cars that we done up, I killed the scene. The entire stance scene, we killed that, and I just didn't have time for it. People want to cry over trophies and stuff. Boys are small, man. Boys are really, really small. So I feel like in every industry there's going to be small boys that cry. And that's because they can't get to the level that you're at. And that's the only reason why they cry. They see you as a threat. Hoodfresh, yeah, bro, we still run shit. HFG KTA, bro. If you know HFG KTA, you know a lot. That was good times, bro. Good times. Good news. Hey, Keanu. Is this Keanu that's in my Telegram? In the MFX? Are you guys the same Keanu? Keanu, are you Keanu in YouTube guys? I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Came to the live 10 real life for a 2 mil account giveaway. Is that really happening?
Yeah.
Oh, Crabbo.
Gold. Yeah, gold's bearish, man. Gold, guys, this is the thing. Gold needs liquidity. Where's it going to get liquidity from? There.
Chad, serious question. I was having this debate with one of the guys last night, okay? For all my gents out here that drink Hennessy, what is your favorite mix with it? What do you think is the best mix with it? I want to hear it, Jack. Because to be fair, that is a drink you can actually mix with a few things.
You're going to be very shocked now. I've never tasted Hennessy before. I'm serious.
Look at you don't drink.
Yeah, but I used
So no
to. But
shit,
when I used to drink, I was too broke for Hennessy, bro. It was Zamalek.
Okay. Literally, those first two answers, that's what I was looking for. So, a little bit of Coke with it every now and again isn't bad. But I must say, I actually enjoy the appetizer. I wish I could comment on this. I can't. Someone told me to try it, and I tried it, and I was like, shit, that's actually not bad.
Is Henny's more like a cognac?
Right? Yeah, it is a cognac. Think of it like this. I think, Chad, maybe you agree with me, the guys that have. I almost say to people, Hennessy, for me, has, in a way, a similar taste to brandy, but it's not as sweet, but it's so much smoother.
Okay.
Chad, you tell me if you guys agree with me. It's a fancy brandy. Yeah, there you go. See.
Okay.
It's just not as sweet, but it's very smooth.
What's your favorite whiskey?
I can't drink whiskey.
Oh, you don't drink
Bro,
whiskey?
my dad's was a whiskey drinker. I cannot drink whiskey. Two things if you want me broken. Whiskey and a vodka shot.
Gone.
I can drink like a vodka mix, no problem. A straight up vodka shot, just smell of it, I want to get sick.
Ish.
But that's because when I was young,
I was
got
like,
so sick on it.
I was like that with what's that black thing? I think it's Sambuca. Bro, that any liqueur used to choke me. I would drop it.
Red Bull. Oh damn, okay.
Let's check.
Still water and appetizer. Yeah, appetizer is only for profitable traders.
Nah, bro, that Wild Golf was the OG, bro. HFGKT run still in Cape Town, had the stick on my car. Really? Damn. Look, we had a big movement, brother. We really, we did stuff. Good times. Miles, get out here. I am here. Hello. Wait, what do you mean get out here? I am here.
Here's another game of FIFA for that. Hey, wait. Hold on. Are you the one that beat me?
Where's this?
That Asher speed clips.
Yes, that's him.
Is he the one that beat me?
That's him.
Bro, don't even lie, bro. Again,
That's him, bro.
You hacked.
I
You
was-
were using hacks when you played that game. Let's not even lie here now.
I remember that. I was tired, but I remember that. What time did we play that?
It was late.
It was late, bro.
Your red hearts. My uncle only drinks red hearts, but
Oh no, they don't just.
that's heartburn.
Oh. I remember that. I did experiment when I was younger. That made your heart rate for sure. Percy Kovacic, VS is for the. Okay.
Lemonade is bomb as well. Okay, I haven't tried that. I'll try that with lemonade.
250 likes for 2 million account on stream today. Can you guys obtain that?
Only
That is the question.
100 more, guys. 100 more. There's 245 of you. You just need 100 more.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't understand why it's so hard to press a like button. I don't understand that.
Bro, it's like you asking them to commit you. Like they're buying a car or something.
I don't.
Like they're signing their life away if they hit either that subscribe button or the like button.
But tell them now, invest 500 rand and you'll get 50 grand tomorrow.
But you know,
they'll do it.
But it's weird, eh? Because I'm that guy. I don't know if I'm just being nice, but like when I watch a YouTube video, if I'm just watching it and I've watched more than 2 minutes and I'm like, okay, I actually want to watch this, I'll give it a
Yeah,
like.
same.
I might not subscribe if to be fair, it is a guy I normally watch. I am subscribed.
Yeah.
But I might not, if it's a random video, I might not hit the subscribe, but I will like the video.
Yeah, same. If I see your views is low, I'll like your shit, bro. Just to help you. 240, yeah, bro.
I click the like before I watch. That's me when I will say when I'm watching YouTube like shorts or things like that. Then it's like when I'm on Instagram. Because I'm that guy, bro. I just scroll,
Yeah,
scroll,
same.
scroll. So maybe it's because their screens are cracked and it glitches over like the button.
Guys, let's do it like this. Let's change the perception. Don't do it for us. Do it for somebody that could change their life with a 2 million Vault Funder account. That's a lot of money, bro. That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Let's do it for them. I'm gonna go on my MFX page as well, and also give the stream 2 likes. Let's do it for those people or the person that could win. Could be you, Chad. Could be you.
I like the stream if you give us 10 push-ups. The only thing is, even if I did it, like, the camera can't show you. So if I just got off camera and I said to you I'm doing it, how would you know I did it?
We can do it.
Okay.
We can do it. Chad, we
Go
can
for
do
it,
it.
bro. Go for it, Miles.
We can do
Miles
it.
is on a mission here for you, Chad.
No.
I'm counting
I'm
him
gonna do
in
it for
here.
you.
I'm counting him in here.
I want to do it for you, bro. Just how I only make it to 8.
Chad, we're on a mission here. So what if I do 10, I get a like, and Miles is 20, we get 2 likes.
Yo, 20. I can definitely do 10, bro. I can definitely do 10.
So Miles, you got it, bro. You won't.
We do it.
Go for it, bro.
Let's do it. Chad.
There we go. We're doing it for the people, Chad. Chris will do 30. There we go. I promise you we're going to go fetch him. We'll go fetch him. Okay, hold on, Chad. Let's just see here. Put your camera down, bro. It needs to be at the floor. Can I go that far back? Wait. Hold on, Chad. Hold on, is the couch in the way? Wait, I have an idea. You need to push up on the couch.
On the couch. That's uncanny. Bro, we can just take the camera off, dude.
I don't know, we can't actually do that.
What? See, you need that.
Hold on, give it Jack. I need to hold it.
Okay. Chad.
Wait, can we see you?
Chad. 10 push-ups for 10 likes.
Wait, let's go full screen here, Chad.
10 push-ups for 10 likes. Miles.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Can't see there, bro. Wait, hold on, put that down. Let me see you, Chad. Chad, we're on a mission, yeah. We're on a mission. Hold on.
Why is it like vlog vibes?
We're gonna do this for the people. I'll put it back on. I'm gonna use this one. That is full screen. There we go, Chad.
10.
Yeah,
10.
10. 10 is 10, Chad.
10 is 10, boys. 10 is 10.
10 is 10.
I just realized now we're matching.
Yeah.
We're matching.
Come on, bro. 10 is 10. That nose must touch the floor.
Okay.
No half push-ups. That's Chad. We're not doing any half reps here. Full reps.
Ready.
Yeah, we ready, bro.
Okay, let's go 10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, baby. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey, there we go, Chad. That's worth 2 likes.
20.
I'm waiting to see those 2 likes go up, Chad. We need to see them go up. Come on, Chad. I'm still seeing 184. Have they gone up yet? We're waiting, yeah. Check the chatty. Look at that pump. I can see he's already got a pump there. 183. That was 1 like, Chad. What was that? Go get Chris. We are going to go get him now. Don't you worry, Chad. I'm going to go fetch him. There we go. 191. Beautiful stuff. Chad, we're going to go fetch Chris. You just wait right here. All right, Chad. There's the man. Okay, Chris. You got to do 20 push-ups. 20. We did Miles. It's your turn. You did 20. We got the big man, Chad. Woo! He's in the building. You did 20, bro. All right, Chad. There we go. Get these locks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go, Chad. All right, next up, Chad, we got big man Ed in the building. Ed, you next, bro.
Oh, fuck. 20, yeah?
There we go, you got 20, bro. Chad, if we are not at 250 likes after this, I don't know what you guys want. One, Chad, I have a comment, but I'm not going to say it because I'm going to get in trouble again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, hey, 18, 19, 20. Hey, now we just showing off, Chad. Now we just showing off.
Wait, we're not done.
Sheesh.
Mo.
Oh, now we're getting more money. Chad, this is what I know you guys paid for this. 208, Chad. We are nearly at 250, baby. We are nearly at 250. There we go. We are waiting. Who's up next, Chad? We're going to see excuse the office. This is when you guys don't see the behind the scenes and you see the mess everywhere else. This is the streamer life.
Okay, boys, we got the biggest boy in the office.
Biggest boy.
Oh, more money.
Am I doing push-ups?
You're doing push-ups, bro. 20 push-ups.
Oh, 20.
20, bro.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's see.
I love like everyone walks in and they hear 20 and they're like, yo. Alright, Chad, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey, there we go, Chad. We are sitting at 80 push-ups, Chad, at the moment. We are so close to that 250. What are the chances you think one of the girls are going to do it? I don't know. 20 is 20. Easy, easy.
Guys, we literally need 30 likes.
Who's next? Joe, the guys are fit. The stream is in top shape, guys. We are on a mission here today. Who is next up? We're waiting, Chad. Just so you can see that Chad is still running there. Basically just below TP2. So that trade is still running there on gold, just so you guys can see. We're on to the next one. Who's up next?
20.
Sheesh, we got Laiki.
How many are we doing? 20.
Yeah, there we go, Chad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. Yeah, this is 2G's boot camp right here. You guys should vlog. We actually have thought about it a few times. It's the Vapor. Here's your turn. Hey, Chad, you know, I pulled my shoulder yesterday.
No. I've forgotten. I'm like all the guys that are in the office.
I pulled my shoulder, Chad.
We can't have Keeks chilling.
Alright.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, he got, big boy. Big boy. Jeez, brother. Jeez, brother. Wait, look down at you, brother.
Chad.
Okay, here we got Kate in the building. Birthday girl.
They're running away, Chad. They're running away. Chad, we are at... Let's get this on here, Chad.
Office pump. Office pump, boys. Kate's here. She wants to do it.
Let's go back to the...
Oh yeah, we trade forex, eh?
Yeah, let's go back to what you actually came here for, Chad.
Guys, you're so close. 25 likes is needed.
Come on, Chad.
Chad, you guys can do this, bro. You guys can
That
do
was
it.
all the motivation you guys needed.
How's this camera? Is my camera right?
Yeah. Where's my...
We need a day in the life of the office. Bro, we gotta do it.
Yeah.
We gotta do it. No cap, the office is the best vibes.
Come on, Chad. You guys are 30 away. 240. All you need is
Oh, you
20,
need
22
is love.
to be exactly.
No
20. Those are so expensive. Chad, Chris is going. I gave him a target. I know they wouldn't hit. I come back. These boys are doing push-ups to get that target. I want to win. Chad, literally, you guys are so close. It will be a pity if you guys came this far and you don't just close it off. Yeah, if you guys are in PE, we don't mind people popping in. Obviously, it just depends how busy we are. But yeah, we don't mind people popping in.
Chad, possible Jesus shorts lining up now in the next 10 minutes. Possible Jesus shorts running into the level 187,500. You want to see that 30 close, that 15 close beneath the level 188,250. And then anticipate the push down to that 187,500 area.
That would be like getting 2 pips from TP and then getting stop loss. Chad, you guys are so close. 16 more. Yeah, Geeks, the winner needs to send a video of them doing 20 push-ups.
I like that.
We got to make sure everyone's fit and healthy here, guys. Healthy body, healthy mind. That's how you become a big boy trader.
Don't forget
You
to
need
do
video evidence of 20 push-ups to get login.
How far are we?
Chad,
Chad,
you guys are close.
13, bro. We won't end the stream until we get 250. We can do this.
Yeah, Money Tribe says no fatty traders, but yet he is. What was that, Chad? Shit. What was...
Minoxidil. Kidding.
Nah, bro, I can't say things like that. Apparently, then all I'm wanting is beef then. $200 likes for the 2 mil.
15.
Let's get to 300 likes. Hey. Yo, Chad, 11 more. You guys are nearly there. I logged in my 3 profiles to like the stream. Hey, 10 more, Chad.
The giveaway is chalk for me with the push-ups. Boys, we can do this. I believe in you guys. I believe in you, gents. Hit that like. 9 more likes, boys. 9 more likes.
Come on, Chad. Just because of that.
Keegs will do another 50 push-ups just for that.
Let's bring it home, Chad.
Recruiting my brother to this team.
Let's bring it home, Chad. You guys can do it. Yo, 3 more. What's the guy, brother? Mine's just sitting keys back this time, though. It's too easy for him.
4, let's go. Ooh, number
There we go,
hit,
baby.
boys.
251, Chad. There we go.
Damn, we had to do push-ups for that.
Where's...
Let's go, boys.
What was this one? There we go, baby.
Let's go. Let's go.
Easy stuff. Super smooth. Silky smooth. W, Chad. There's a big giveaway coming, baby.
2 milli. Can we get a 2 milli? Can we get 2 milli in the chat? 2 milli.
Come on, Chad, baby. You know what time it is, Chad. We're bringing back the OG vibes today. If you've been around, you should know all of this, Chad. Should all be familiar to you guys.
2 milli.
And then, Chad, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do heads or tails, and you can stand a chance to double it.
2.
I'm joking, Chad.
Four
We're not
milli.
doing that. We
4
are not
milli.
doing that. That's what Chris is going to be like, bro. Really end the
Nah,
stream now.
choke.
Let's see, Chad. 2 milli coming.
Thank you in
in
advance.
Hey. The guys are picking up on it slowly. It is coming, Chad. We need to... Where's the big man? We need to decide how we're going to do this giveaway, Chad.
DJ, turn up the volume.
Chad. Only the OGs know this, Chad. Today on the streams feels like Friday vibes. It's fake Fridays out here today.
We almost there,
But
boys.
we'll make it a Friday.
We almost there. Live in the studio with DJ Keeks, we have twins on decks. Let's see who is
What
winning the 2 milli.
You know, Chad, this is what happens when you get the youngsters in for London session.
Vibes.
I can't remember who said it, guys. But it was a very, very well said quote. And that very famous quote, for those that have been there before, is, "We have just turned the capital of London into New York."
Hey.
Alright, Nighbot. Let's get Nighbot up and going, yeah, guys. Let's get Nighbot up and going. Where's our Nighbot, yeah? Muse is always a vibe. You can never go wrong with Mute, guys. Nighbot is just officially logged in. Nighbot is in the chat. She's in the party. She's ready to go. How are we going to do this? So we're going to do the random number. Be back now, Chad.
$2 million. We got 2 million coming, boys. Someone's gonna win big today. All it took was a couple of push-ups and a click of the button. Someone's gonna win big today. Very keen to see who that is gonna be. $2 million. That is crazy.
Chad. Okay, so how this is gonna work? You guys know. All you guys need to do is you need to be subscribed. Let's bring the volume down for a bit. You guys need to be subscribed. You need to be commenting, yeah, guys. We're gonna let it go for a little bit, yeah. You guys need to get active in the comments. That's how it's gonna pick you up. So make sure you subscribe. Again, then next thing, just send some comments. Send a W, send a 2 milli, send a peach, send whatever you want. Just get it going there. We need to get you guys active in the chat. And then we are going to get it going. I think if you're an OG, you'll remember this. It's a little game we like to call the number generator. You guys are going to have to guess a number between a range. We're going to give you guys a nice little range there, and you guys need to then decide what you possibly think that number is that it is going to choose. If you get the number right, you are our lucky winner today. Nighbot will select. So again, it's not us, it's all automated. It's our little Nighbot. You guys have seen her in the chat before. She's a little bit sassy sometimes. She times some of you out and gives you guys some warnings. But she's a good girl. So we're going to make sure just play nice. There's no discriminations. Yeah, she loves all of you. So I think it's about time, guys. I think before we get going, yeah, we want a decent range. So let's say to Miles, bro, give me a number range. Oh, fight. Damn. What do you want the range to be, brother?
Like a decent one.
A decent range.
700 to 900.
700.
That's a big one, boys, because it's a big account. Hold on, don't put the numbers yet.
Don't put it in yet.
Hold
chat.
on,
Only
boys.
when we say go.
Relax.
Only when we say go.
Take it easy. We need hashtag wezen.
Okay, wait, hold on here, Chad. Wait.
7 clip to 9 clip. When we say go, you guys can comment.
Okay. Alright, Chad. We're gonna make sure we think we're doing this right. Just hold on, because I think Nighbot freaked out a little bit there. Let me just check. Yeah, guys, apologies. That was Nighbot doing her own thing. Ashia next door. Unfortunately, you didn't win there, bro. That was Nighbot doing its own little mistake there. Just choosing the first person. We wanted to see a live chat.
Guys, let's hold off on those numbers. Wait with the numbers. We will let you know when it's time.
You guys ready, Chad? When you see Nighbot come up in the chat there saying the giveaway has started, that is when you know it is time. Alright. Hold off on those numbers, Chad. Because remember, if you got that number, but if you entered it before we said go, it doesn't count. It only counts after Nighbot has said it has started. Alright. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys.
Let's go mad. 700 to 900. Who's today's winner of the 2 milli? Feeling pretty.
Oh, Chad, we have a winner. We have a winner. Bartis Lukasevicius. I don't know if I just butchered your surname, my brother. I really am sorry. But Bartas. Where are you? Can Bartas please report to the front?
Come forward to come collect your
Let's
gift,
go show
sir.
you, Chad. Let's just show you guys there so you know we're not making anything up. There is your winner, Bartas. He got it. Bartas is our lucky winner today.
Bartas.
Hey, Bartas, where are you? I'm waiting here, Chad.
Let's see if he's easier. There's he. Bartas Lukavicius. Well done, boy.
Okay, Bartas, please tell me, do you know how to claim your prize? If you don't, we're going to rewind and we're just going to pretend it never happened. I'm joking. It is yours. Let me know, do you know how to claim your prize? Where's my brother Bartas? Chad, I'm just saying in the back here, trade for you, just doing naughty things over here.
Numero uno.
Naughty little things. If you are still in the trade for you, you are currently up 140 pips.
Naughty.
Naughty. Sorry, I don't know how to claim. All right, Bartas. So help. We got you. All you need to do is you got to go create a Vault Funder account. All right. If you don't have one, you have to go create one. You don't have to buy anything. Just register. The email you registered with, you just need to message support at vaultfunder.trade. And you got to just send them a screenshot of your username and the account of this YouTube Bartas, just so that they can see it is you. It's not someone else pretending to be you. So or they message support saying you are the winner. Show them a screenshot of your YouTube account, and they will issue you the account. Do you have it, my brother? Just let me know. Do you understand it? There is the email from Nighbot, support at vaultfunder.trade. Just send them the email once you've created your account and proof of your YouTube account that it is you.
Don't forget to attach your video of you doing 20 push-ups.
Yes, very important.
In that mail.
Let's see, Chad. Hey, there's Mr. Beerger. Oh, Frana. Okay, I think he got me. Even if he didn't, then just message support him. They'll help you after that. Straight for you has some strong muti. Hey. Straight for you is doing things. 2G's health program, lol. 2G's making a difference. Healthy body, healthy bank account. Chad, but it is 10:30. I need to still pop out quickly. I have some things to do this morning, and then obviously we have a very important meeting later. Miles, are you still looking at anything, brother?
Bro, we are done. I think we slaughtered the charts wise. We killed the push-ups. We killed the charts. Caught beautiful dubs today, as well as straight for you, bringing in the bags. 2 calls straight on gold shorts for me as well. Played up stunning. So, Chad, there's my last day with you, obviously for the week. Just want to say shot for, I think it's a 4 or 5-0. No loss this week. Once again, slaughtering these charts as we do every single day. But Chad, GG's, keep well. I think we can go full screen there, my brother.
Donovan, the lucky number, as we showed you guys, let me just put it on there again quickly for you. You can see 10-43, 824. That was the lucky number that he won with, 824. So this you guys can see there. So yeah, Chad, it has been amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the stream today. It literally is an early Friday, but as always, guys, we can quickly again. Miles, thanks for everything, my brother.
Thank you, my brother.
Being here. And Chad, again, massive thank you to you guys. End of the day, we are just traders without a community, but with you guys, we are this beautiful family that we are now today. We appreciate it. We love you guys, and it's always about making you guys winners and giving back. So we're gonna see you guys for New York. Hopefully we can carry the vibes. Hopefully we can carry the energy. And again, if you trade CPR, trade safe. But as always, Chad, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. See you later. Cheers, baby.
Cheers,
Peace
boys.
and love.